Good morning, students. Welcome to my class once again, class 11th maths. So, this question is from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 1, question number 16. In a survey, it was found that 21 people liked product A, 26 liked product B, and 29 liked product C. If 14 people like products A and B, 12 people like product C and A, 14 people like product B and C, and 8 liked all the three products. Find how many like product C only. This is the question. Once I am telling in Hindi, एक सर्वे में ये पाया गया कि 21 लोगों ने एक प्रोडक्ट ए को लाइक किया, 26 ने प्रोडक्ट बी को लाइक किया, 29 ने प्रोडक्ट सी को लाइक किया. अगर 14 पीपल ऐसे हैं, 14 लोग ऐसे हैं जो ए और बी दोनों को लाइक करते हैं, 12 लोग ऐसे हैं जो सी और ए दोनों को लाइक करते हैं, और 14 अगेन 14 लोग फिर से ऐसे हैं जो बी और सी को जिन्होंने लाइक किया है, एंड 8 लाइक और 8 लोग ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने तीनों ए बी और सी तीनों प्रोडक्ट को लाइक किया है. तो हमें ये निकालना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट हाउ मेनी लाइक प्रोडक्ट सी ओनली. ऐसे कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट सी को लाइक किया. So, in the set theory, there is a very popular method of Venn diagrams, and we will find out the answer of this question by using Venn diagrams. Venn diagram after the name of a popular mathematician, Venn. So, Venn diagram. In Venn diagram, this is a rectangle and this is known as universal set U. There are three sets we have here. The first set is set A. The people who liked the product A. The number of elements are 21 here. And the set B, who like the product B, they are 26. And the C, who like the product C, are 29 people. And we denote the set in Venn diagram by using circles. So the first circle we will have of the set A. This is set A. Then set B. This is set B, suppose. And the third circle will denote the set C. All the circles will be of the same size. Only the elements are different in. This is circle A or the set A. And the number of elements are 21 here. This is B. And the number of elements are 26 here. And this is set C, and the number of elements are 29 here. What we exactly have to find out is that how many like product C only, means this shaded portion. You have to find out this shaded portion only. This shaded portion will show that the people who like the product C only, this portion only. How will we find this? This is the question in front of us. This whole is equal to 21. This whole is equal to 26. And this whole circle is equal to 29. Now, we see the common people, 14 people like product A and B. Means amongst A and B, 14 people are common. 14 are common means this portion. This is showing the 14 people here. A common in A and B, intersection of A and B. 12 people like product C and A. Between C and A, this is a common portion, this portion. And there are 12 people in this common portion. And 14 people like product B and C. In B and C, this is a common portion, and the intersection of B and C is given here as 14. And 8 liked all the 3 products, means this portion is the common amongst A, B and C, all the 3 sets. So this portion will show the number 8, because 8 is the number of people who are liking all these 3 products. Now we have to find out that how much will be the value of this portion. This whole portion is 12, this is 8, 12 minus 8. This will be equal to 4. This portion will be equal to 14 minus 8, that is 6. This total is 14, this is 8, 14 minus 8, 6. This is also 14 and 14 minus 8, this portion also will show 6. Now we see that we have to find out this portion, the number of elements in the C only. How will you find it? This whole is equal to 29. Now 29 minus this whole minus this, means 29 is minus 4 minus 8 and minus 6. So 29 is 29 minus 4 minus 8 minus 6. And if we solve it, then it comes 29 minus 14 and 6, 12 and 6, 18. And 29 is minus 18, 1 and 1. So it comes 11. Means the value of this portion is 11, which shows that the number of people who like the product C only are 11 people. So 11 must be the answer of this question. So I think this should be clear to you. So 11 is the answer. So thank you. Goodbye for now.